Is SoFi the future of banking, or just another stock hype? If you're curious about what makes this fintech company stand out on Wall Street, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down SoFi stock in a way that's simple, exciting, and easy to understand, even if you've never invested before. Hey there, it's Prince Sam Official, your go-to channel for wealth and personal finance tips. Today, we're talking about SoFi, an innovative fintech company that's transforming the financial services landscape. If you've heard the buzz around SoFi stock and are wondering if it's worth your investment, stick around for my step-by-step guide. Step-by-step tips. 1. What is SoFi? SoFi, or Social Finance, started as a student loan refinancing company but has since expanded into personal finance, offering everything from mortgages to investment accounts. The company aims to disrupt traditional banking by providing faster, cheaper, and more accessible services. 2. Why is SoFi stock so popular? SoFi stock has gained attention because it's more than just a bank. It's a one-stop shop for all financial needs. Its recent banking charter and focus on technology make it stand out in the fintech space. Investors are excited about its potential for rapid growth. 3. SoFi's growth potential. What's got investors excited? SoFi's rapid user growth, partnerships, and expansion into crypto and trading. But like any investment, it comes with risks. We'll get into that next. 4. The risks of SoFi stock. No stock is risk-free, and SoFi is no exception. From regulatory challenges to the competitiveness of the fintech space, it's essential to know what you're getting into before investing. 5. How to decide if SoFi stock is right for you. Are you a long-term investor, or are you looking for quick gains? SoFi stock might be a good fit for those who believe in the future of digital finance, but it's important to do your research and diversify your portfolio. Step-by-step tips, how to invest in SoFi stock today. Step 1. Choose a brokerage platform. First things first, you'll need a brokerage account to buy SoFi stock. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up with platforms like Robinhood, Webull, or even SoFi's own investing platform. Most of these are user-friendly and don't require a minimum balance to get started. Step 2. Fund your account. Once you've chosen your platform, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. This is easy to do by linking your bank account and transferring the amount you're comfortable investing. Most platforms offer instant deposits, so you won't have to wait long to start buying. Step 3. Search for SoFi stock. Ticker symbol, SoFi. Now that your account is funded, it's time to search for SoFi stock. Every stock has a ticker symbol, and for SoFi, it's SoFi. Simply type SoFi into the search bar of your brokerage app, and it should pop up. Step 4. Review the stock information. Before you hit that buy button, take a moment to review SoFi stock details. Look at the current price, its performance chart, and any recent news or analyst opinions that may help inform your decision. Knowledge is power. Step 5. Decide how much to invest. Once you're comfortable with the stock, it's time to decide how much to invest. You can buy full shares, or, if you're using platforms like SoFi, you can even buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of the stock with as little as $1. Step 6. Place your order. You'll have a few options when placing your order. A market order buys SoFi stock at its current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. If the stock reaches that price, your order will go through automatically. Step 7. Review and confirm your purchase. Double-check the number of shares and the type of order you've selected, then hit buy. Once the order is processed, congratulations, you're now a SoFi stockholder. Step 8. Monitor and manage your investment. After you've bought SoFi stock, keep an eye on your investment over time. Review your portfolio periodically, track SoFi's performance, and be ready to make adjustments if needed. And remember, investing is a long-term game, so patience is key. SoFi is an exciting company that's shaking up the financial industry with its innovative approach to banking and investing. For beginners, it offers an opportunity to invest in the future of fintech, but like any stock, it comes with risks. The key is to understand what SoFi does, why it's growing, and whether it fits your personal investment goals. As we've shown, Getting started with buying SoFi stock is easier than ever. From choosing a brokerage platform to making your first purchase, the process is straightforward. Remember to always do your research. Start with an amount you're comfortable with and monitor your investments over time. If you're new to investing, starting with SoFi stock is simple. Choose a brokerage, fund your account, search for SoFi, and place your order. With today's technology, getting involved in the stock market is easier than ever, and it's a great way to begin building wealth over time. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more tips on investing and building wealth. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop my next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, Prince Sam Official loves you all.